Using a Starbucks gift card on Uber Eats is a common question among coffee lovers and food delivery enthusiasts. The answer is yes. You can use a Starbucks gift card on Uber Eats, but there are some restrictions and requirements to be aware of. First, you need to make sure that the Starbucks gift card is registered and has a sufficient balance to cover the cost of your order. You can check the balance of your gift card by visiting the Starbucks website or by using the Starbucks mobile app. To use your Starbucks gift card on Uber Eats, start by opening the Uber Eats app and selecting the Starbucks store location you want to order from. Once you have selected your location, browse the menu and add the items you want to order to your cart. When you are ready to check out, select the payment method option and choose the gift card option. You will be prompted to enter the gift card number and the PIN, which can be found on the back of the card or in the email if it is an e-gift card. If the gift card balance is sufficient to cover the cost of your order, the payment will be processed successfully and you will receive a confirmation of your order. However, if the gift card balance is not sufficient, you will need to add an additional payment method to cover the remaining amount. It is also important to note that you can only use a Starbucks gift card to pay for Starbucks orders on Uber Eats. You cannot use a Starbucks gift card to pay for orders from other restaurants or merchants on the platform. In addition, Uber Eats may charge a small service fee for orders, which cannot be paid for with a Starbucks gift card. In this case, you will need to add an additional payment method to cover the service fee. In summary, using a Starbucks gift card on Uber Eats is a convenient way to pay for your favorite Starbucks drinks and food items by following the steps outlined above and being aware of the restrictions and requirements. You can enjoy a seamless and rewarding experience with Uber Eats and Starbucks.